hope you're all okay. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I feel like I've not done in the longest time. So today's video is a Home Bargains and B&M haul. I actually managed to order quite a few of these bits online, which I was so impressed with because I've never actually ordered online from Home Bargains before. So I'm going to start with Home Bargains, my fave, and then I will go on to B&M afterwards. I'll also be uploading all the little things that I've bought onto my home account on Instagram, so if you're not following me on there, then come over and follow me. I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon, including some of these items, because I actually went online and picked up one of each extra. So yeah, look out for that on my home account, and I'm going to jump straight in. Okay, so the first thing I picked up was £6.99, and I just thought this was so cheap. So I picked up this bamboo laundry basket, as you can see here. So this is just going to really fit in with the current theme of my neutral room, and I'm going to insert a little photo so you can kind of see how it looks at the minute, and then I think you'll see that it will just fit in perfectly. It's super lightweight and it has got like the little white rope detail along the side, but for £6.99 I absolutely love it. So as you can see from the photo, that room is completely neutral, completely different to the kind of style that I usually go for, but I absolutely love it. So yeah, this one will fit in really nicely. It's really lightweight, and I just thought for £6.99 it was a little bit nicer than just your standard kind of laundry basket. And then on the same kind of theme, another lamp that I picked up online. So it's kind of like that rattan detail. I absolutely love it. I feel like it's everywhere at the minute, and it just makes the room look really fresh. So this is like one of the Jeff Banks range. I haven't seen it in store, but I did see it online, and that's where I ordered it from. It was £12.99, which was quite good. And when it's actually up, like on the bedside table with everything, it just looks so nice. So they've got a lot of these everywhere. I mean, home accounts on Instagram are featuring rattan and that kind of theme, and I love it. So I was really impressed that I found something on Home Bargains that was as nice as this. As you can see there, it's one of those ones that I think looks so much better like when it's in your room, if that makes sense, as opposed to kind of me holding it up sat on my bed. I promise it looks so much nicer when it's like in the room. So I will share that on my home account in the next few days. Okay, so this next item, I feel like I did buy this because it was aesthetically pleasing, should I say. Well, basically I was influenced by Instagram. I saw a load of home bloggers have this, and I just thought I really like it. I mean, I can't really imagine me eating from it necessarily all the time, but I feel like maybe on special occasions or kind of when I'm doing my home content, I feel like it will look quite nice. It was only £9.99, so I feel like I can justify it, but here it is here. So I don't know about you, but I'm seeing gold cutlery everywhere at the minute. At first I was a little bit unsure, if I'm honest, but I thought I'd try it out for £9.99. I really like it, so I'm going to try and bring it closer so you can see there. So it's a matte gold finish, and there's 4 of each, and I just feel like it looks really aesthetically pleasing, and I got influenced. That's basically what happened. I don't really have much else to say, but I'm sure, no doubt, you're going to see that in a few posts coming up. But the mini gold teaspoon is actually really cute. So okay, if there's one item that you are going to be tempted to buy from this haul, make it this one. I'm not joking, I cannot believe how cheap this is and how nice it looks on a bedside table. So they had these in 2 colours. So they had it in this pinky colour, and they also had it in more of a goldy colour. So this is a little table lamp, as you can see. Battery powered. Actually, I'll turn it on. There you go. So it's literally the cheapest little lamp, but it looks so pretty. So this was £3.99. I did a little bit of research. Next was selling them for like way more. So many companies were selling them for way more than £3.99. So this is definitely probably my must-have Home Bargains item at the minute. I'm going to insert a photo of it on my bedside table, and you'll see what I mean. But there's no way that you would think this was £3.99, in my opinion. I just feel like it makes it look so much more expensive. And if you're on a budget and you want your home to look a little bit nicer, a little bit modern, and you don't want to spend a fortune, honestly, little details like this make such a big difference, and they definitely look far more expensive than £3.99. This next item is again one of my favourites. This one I bought another one of because I'm going to include it in a little home giveaway. So this I've currently put on top of a little stool at the minute, just next to my mirror. I just love it. It's got like little tassels on it. It's that really nice creamy colour. I don't actually remember the price of this. I think it may have been about £7. It was either £7 or £9. I can't remember off the top of my head. But yeah, you can obviously stand a chance of winning one of these within my home little goodies bundle, should I say. I really like these, and again, they're everywhere. They're so popular, and I just feel like Home Bargains always nail the budget trend, if you like. You don't need to go online anymore and spend fortunes on throws and everything like that, because so many of these other retailers do them, and I just love it. So like I said, I've just got this currently place on just my little footstool to kind of like make it look a bit more detail-y. But you could obviously put this on your bed, you could put it on your sofa, whatever you want to do with a throw. I just don't think you can ever have too many throws. Okay, next up, if you are thinking about maybe starting a blog this year, doing Instagram, doing YouTube, or you're a makeup artist or something, and when you can open back up you need a new ring light or anything, or you just want your photos to look good, this is what you need. So I don't know if you remember, but a few months ago I bought the little mini one that came on a little tripod, and that was, I think, $7.99, and I just like take it away with me when I'm going for like weekends away, which feels like a distant memory. But they then had this one. This was $19.99, and honestly the quality, it's got 3 different settings on it. It's probably about 6 foot tall, maybe, yeah, just a little bit taller than me. I'm 5'2", so I think it is about 6 foot. And it's got 3 different settings, and you can also change it from blue light to yellow light. So if maybe this year you want to start YouTube, or you want to like get a ring light for whatever reason, Home Bargains is the one. It was $19.99, and it honestly is really good. My ring light was like £90. This one was $19.99, so I got this as a spare to keep at my mum's, so I can film my videos over there. And yeah, it comes on a tripod. It's also got a little tripod for your phone, which my ring light doesn't actually have. So bargain of the century here if a ring light is what you're after. It's also really, really lightweight but sturdy at the same time. Okay, so now on to some essentials, which is what I had to go in the store for. I didn't order these bits online. So I picked up a Fabulosa glass cleaner. I didn't know they did glass cleaners, so I don't know if that's a new thing. This one is pineapple and coconut, which is going to give me all of the summer and holiday feels when I'm doing my morning clean, seeing as I can't be on a beach at the minute, but it's fine. Love the smell, and I'm addicted to this stuff. I feel like they always bring out new products. I'm always like, yep, I'll have that. So that was like a must-have for me. I also picked up one of my spray and wear sprays. This one is in scent Fresh Breeze, and it's the antibacterial one, but it makes your clothes smell really, really fresh. And if like you just want your clothes to smell a bit nicer, if you've like tried to, oh, it's leaking. Oh, okay, it has got a little leak on the top, but oh my god, it smells amazing. But yeah, your clothes are just going to smell fresh all the time. So if you fancy giving your clothes a little spritz, go for this one. The next item I want to show you, if you've got a child or a relative that loves unicorns, or you love unicorns yourself, this is the Beverly Hills Formula Unicorn Sparkle Toothpaste. It's only available at Home Bargains, and it's just every girl's, like girly girl's basically dream. Look at the packaging, so sparkly, and I just know my nieces are going to love this. So if you've got a unicorn fan, head to Home Bargains to get the toothpaste. I then also picked up a White Blossoms Flora. I've not actually seen this scent yet. I don't know if I'm late to the party, but I feel like with it coming into spring, we've got to kind of like start mixing up the scents. I've still got so many of my autumnal ones left from when I went a little bit overboard at Christmas. Classic anti-bac wipes. I go through these like there is no tomorrow at the minute. But yeah, you can't really go wrong. Very boring but essential fairy liquid. I've got the anti-bac one, and then I also got some Lenore. Now I can't remember if this was Home Bargains or B&M, but oh my god, I just saw it was pink and I basically picked it up because it was pink. This one is Floral Fresh. It's a big pack. I can't remember what one I got it from. Oh, it smells so spring-like and florally. But yeah, the colour was everything. I then also picked up some dry shampoo and mini eggs, aka my essential. I'm addicted to mini eggs at the minute. As soon as it comes anywhere near Easter, that is it. The mini eggs are out, and it's impossible to just have a few. I don't know about you, but unless I've just got no self-control, I literally have a bag and within about a minute they're all gone. I feel like they're definitely stingy on what they put in the bag now as well. They never used to be so little in there. I feel like you used to get way bigger bags, but anyway, it just means you buy 2 now. So I'm going to go on... oh, I'm going to go on to B&M now, and I've got some really nice bits to show you. Okay, so I'm going to start with this lampshade. So in case you haven't guessed already, this is to go in the bedroom that I showed you the photo of earlier. This one is called the Heidi shade, and it was £15. Some companies sell lampshades like this and the whole design for way more, so I didn't think £15 was too bad, and I thought it was quite unique. I love the shape of it, and it's going to obviously, it's quite open, so you're still going to get that light in your bedroom, but I just thought this would look quite nice and it would match all the other theme that I've kind of got going on in there. The next item I also picked up just as a little bit of a detail item. I thought this piece would look quite nice next to my mirror. I've got like a little gap and I feel like I needed something to fill it. So this was that something. So it's just a little rattan lantern, which was £6, and I just need to get a candle to go in the middle of it now. But I feel like this is quite simple, but it will still look really pretty and add that little bit of detail. I didn't want anything to OTT, and I saw it and I just thought it was quite cute, so basically brought it home. I actually put a poll up on my home account the other day asking whether people preferred Home Bargains or B&M, and it was literally like 50-50. Okay, this is to go in my lounge. I've got all the lanterns going on in this haul. This one is called the large wire lantern. It was £10 and it is a grey colour, as you can see here. Again, I need to get a candle. Do you know, I literally looked around the whole shop and they didn't have any candles that would go in the middle of it, so I need to order one online because I'm not going back to the shops. So yeah, £10 for this one, and this is to go, I think, down the side of my TV unit in the lounge, where I had like the Christmas tree and everything, and now it's gone. It looks so bare in there, and I've just not got around to ordering anything yet. So I think I'm going to get a rack, I think I'm going to get one of those ladder shelves. But for now, I'm going to pop this next to it, and then I'll add some more detail with the candle in it. And then as the time goes on, I'll move it around. But yeah, I didn't think it was something that was going to date. It's quite subtle. And then I also picked up, oh, where's the front? This little vanilla and amberwood scented candle. This is just to go on my shelf. I feel like these things you can buy and then you can move them around the house. If you feel like a little bit of a switch up, you can just change things around and then it looks like you've done something new. And I feel like that sounds really common sense, but actually you'll be surprised at how much of a difference it makes. So this candle was £5, and oh, it actually smells really nice. But here's the little pattern. As you can see, it's just got this little pattern on it, but this is going to fit in quite nicely. It's also got kind of like that beigey tone on there, so again, it's relatively neutral, even though it looks a little bit of like a out there-y pattern. I feel like it's very neutral, and oh, it smells so good. I'm not gonna lie, I probably wouldn't like this one. I probably just would use this for show, but the smell is making me really tempted to light it. But I really like it, and again, like I said, this is gonna go on my shelf, but you can move the things around just to make them look like you've had a little switch up, even if you haven't had to buy anything new. Best thing to do. And I also went down the sweet aisle. Oh my god, who knew that Smarties did mini eggs? I mean, I feel like I did know this, but I feel like I forgot about it because I haven't had them in so long. Definitely didn't have them last year, I don't think. So they are the orange ones. I don't care what anyone says, orange Smarties are the best. Do you remember when we were younger and the blue ones used to turn your tongue blue? I feel like that was before they removed like all the bad stuff from in it. And then I also picked up an Aero hot chocolate. I've never actually tried this, but I wanted to mix things up. I always either have Galaxy or the Whisper one, so I feel like Aero's kind of on the same wavelength as a Whisper, hopefully. That was like £1 or something. So I picked up a few essentials and I ordered some bits online for around the house, which I feel are quite nice. So anything that I can link below, I will for you. But yeah, I'm going to do like a little home giveaway soon, just because I feel like there's so many nice home bits at the minute, and it's not necessarily something that people would go out and buy. I feel like home stuff always ends up not necessarily being a priority because you've got other stuff to buy. So that is my plan, to collect a few items for that. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I would love for you to stick around and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned on my Instagram for all of these little bits featured, and I will see you in my next video.